Moses Mpofu and Mike Chimombe, two former business associates of the controversial ex-convict Wicknell Chivayo, are in some seriously trouble. On Monday, June 24th, Mpofu and Chimombe, along with their legal representatives, voluntarily presented themselves to the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission, also known as ZEC. They were there to assist with investigations into some pretty serious allegations. According to a leaked ZEC memo dated June 7th, 2024, the duo is facing potential charges for allegedly violating several sections of Zimbabwe's criminal laws. We're talking about the theft of trust property and money laundering, among other things. And get this, they allegedly received a whopping $40 million from the Ministry of Finance and Economic Development. Now you might be wondering, what was this money for? Well, it was supposedly to supply and deliver goats to support underprivileged households across Zimbabwe as part of the presidential goat scheme. Sounds like a noble cause, right? But here's what happened. Instead of delivering the goats, Mpofu and Chimombe allegedly went on a shopping spree, buying luxurious houses and vehicles. But that's not all. In a twist worthy of a Hollywood thriller, Renform CC, a South African company linked to the scandal, has come out swinging. They've emphatically denied any involvement or connection with Mpofu, Chimombe, or Chivayo. Renform CC claims they don't know these individuals and have no business dealings with them whatsoever. Renform is so outraged by these allegations that they've engaged a senior legal team to represent them. They're even considering taking legal action in Zimbabwe to defend their name and reputation. So, where do things stand now? Well, ZEC chair Michael Reza has announced that they've gathered strong evidence and are ensuring a thorough investigation. He's emphasized that there will be no bias or favoritism in this case. This is a developing story, so stay tuned for updates as more information comes out. Whether justice will be served and how deep this rabbit hole goes, only time will tell. If you found this video informative, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more breaking news updates. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay informed and stay curious.